Hello and welcome. I'm Barend C Richter, founder of Quick Study and your guide to this exciting journey to achieving academic success. With a decade of experience in remedial teaching, multiple degrees under my belt and a lifelong passion for learning, I've dedicated my life to understanding the art of studying. You see, I believe in studying smarter, not harder. And that's why I've spent years exploring effective study techniques that yield maximum results with minimum effort. I've seen firsthand these strategies can transform learners' academic journeys. And now I'm bringing all this to you right here on this channel. Quick Study is about more than just improving your grades. It's about mastering the art of learning. It's about becoming part of a vibrant community of learners. And together, we'll explore powerful study methods. We'll exchange experiences, and you will witness firsthand the beauty of learning unfold. I'll be sharing new insights and strategies every week, so you'll always have fresh, effective techniques to enhance your learning journey. So are you ready? Are you ready to redefine the learning experience? If you're excited to embark on this journey, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's revolutionize the way that we learn together. Welcome to Quick Study. Welcome to the community. Let's thrive together.